Pie Raking Studio. Jean had the lever in the bathroom slide down on its own. Are you talking about the diverter? Oh, I don't know what that is, but no, it's hard to operate. It's okay, I'll check. This faucet has been in use over a decade. Normally, it should be replaced. Although it may have reached the end of its design life, it still makes it possible to play. By the way, understand the structure of the water separate. Looks like the diverter is worn out. I think you can fix this too. You've always liked to buy new ones. What's that today? The director says the view number too low. We're going to take a pay cut. Oh, is this true? What I've been said has no reference value. Take the hose off first. Yeah, let's not use hex screws. This property hasn't been taken apart in over 15 years. May have to be disassembled in a different way. Look, it's taken down. If the button can't be disassembled, disassemble the top. The cover is taken off. But this way you have to take out the parts one by one. It's a bit of hassle, but it's the only way. Huh? The gasket is out. There is also a water seal for the pull rod. Take it out now. The problem should be that the water stock gasket is worn out. I test it for you. You see, it's really loose. Hey, look, like black rubber is sliding. Ben, you are so smart. It's really this one that's worn out. Prepare the parts. Hey, it's glue. Hello, I want a water stock gasket for the water separate. It's a pirate brand. Huh? Out of stock. Ask another store. Hello, I want a pirate brand. He had on me. Ma'am, have you got the materials? No one is selling it. It's okay, I will do it myself. If it is too loose, make it broad. This is a very straightforward idea. You see, it really won't loosen up. Just now, second the lever. But this way the rod can go through the hole. Now change the way and make the gasket myself. Can this be done by yourself? Okay, let's try it out. The hole can't pass through after the rod is thickened. But I can buy a water stop gasket. So that it can seal. Press it down. But another problem arises. It can't be fixed at the bottom. That's where hot melt glue comes in handy. Immediately pour it into shape, so no need to use a lathe. Wait a bit for it to harden. Now cut it to the original thickness of the gasket. Use a tweezer to peel off the excess. But this still doesn't make sure it's fixed at the bottom. So I used the cyanoacrylate to strengthen the fixed section. Be careful not to stick the lever. Push it into position. Try it and see if it works. Perfect. Wow, you really made it. By using hot soap to stick, will it melt like ice cream? The softest part is above 18 degrees Celsius. It should be okay to use it in the faucet. Anyway, put the divider together first. Actually, it is not that complicated. Insert the rod and then put in the spring. Install washer and gasket. Finally, tighten the screw. The biggest trouble with this style is that the parts sold by e-commerce do not match it. I locate it with a ratchet socket. Test it first. It's easy to use. Hey Ben, it's assembled. Let's test it. Does it work? I think there should be no problem. I also want to confirm this. Hey Ben, what are you doing? Let's do the test. You look like aliens are about to invade Earth. Just install the whole assembly. This can be locked with bare hands. Take a wrench to lock it. Locked. The whole feel is different, but I can't describe what it feels like. Probably like a new one. Install the hose. It's nothing. Test it with water. It's very stable and won't fall off. Try a few more tries and you will succeed. If you have no time to try, subscribing to Pirate King Studio can also improve your repairability and creativity. Subscribe to share and like. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.